Hello everyone, this is Esther Gifted Hands coming to you unboxing my First Luvme Hair wig. So this is the wig. It says enjoy your hair journey from now on. In the box comes a unit, hair caps, a flyer, and a little sack that has a comb, a headband, bobby pins, a strap, Luvme hair clip, and a tweezer. Taking the hair out of the net, it feels so nice and fluffy and really soft. So I'm already loving it. Here I am cutting the lace in the front. I have difficulties cutting it while it's on my head, so I just took advantage and cut it first. I will also be cutting the inner part of the wig cap. That way you can only see the lace closure and not the net from the wig cap. It will also let it blend better. Now I am ready to try on my wig. I already have my hair braided down, and I also have a non-slip lace wig grip band that helps it hold the wig in place. Here is the wig without doing absolutely nothing to it, but I will go ahead and tweeze it, make the part a little wider, and cut a little bit of baby hair out. This wig was actually perfect. It wasn't too tight, too big. It fit just right. I had to add absolutely no glue. The price was affordable and the wig was just effortless. So I give this company a A+. Here I will be using some of my Nairobi Shine foaming lotion just to tame it a little bit, and then I will also be using some of my powder foundation on the part just to blend it some more. This is what the wig looks like on the website versus what it looks like on my head. Pretty close, and I am absolutely loving this wig. That is all for you guys for today. I hope you like and subscribe. Please stay safe from coronavirus and hope to see you guys later. Bye.